Hi, I'm James from Genset Solar, and we're at M & Auto in Durban. This is a 150 kilowatt Sigenergy system with a 128 kilowatt hour battery bank and a 176 kilowatt peak solar system. Ideal for a day run operation like this dealership.
Good morning, my name is Tracy, I'm from M & Auto. Last week we had the final installation of our Sigenergy Genset Solar. We are very excited about having solar, as it's going to ensure that our customers have a continuous, great service from us with no disruptions. We look forward to seeing the energy cost saving as well, and we've already seen this happening over the last week, which is really a great response.